How to fix WhatsApp application not working problem. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Solution YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp not working problem. So guys, I will show you I will give up you some tricks and tips to fix the bugs or problem that you're facing to use WhatsApp. So before starting the videos, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, basically first of all, make sure that your internet connection is well okay. And the second tips what you can do is you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then after going to the Google Play Store you have to search for WhatsApp here. So after searching for WhatsApp, you have to check whether your WhatsApp application is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you will find an update option here, and if it is updated, you will find an open option. So if it is not updated, please make sure that you have been updated your WhatsApp Messenger, and you can try it out. It will be work or not. So I hope this will work for you. But if the solution doesn't work, then what you need to do here, you have to go to your phone settings on your Android, and then here you have to scroll down, and then you have to go to mm, app management or install app options. So now let me just go to app list. Here you will find lots of application that your phone has been installed. So let me just search for WhatsApp here. So you have to search for your WhatsApp. So here you can see this is my WhatsApp. So simply tap on the WhatsApp application, and then here you can see the option storage usage. So simply click on the storage usage option, and then you have make sure that you have to clear all the data here. So after clearing all the data, what you have to do here, just click on the force stop button, and then you have to stop the force, and also you have to click on permission button, and then you have to allow all the permission here. So after allowing all the permission, what you have to do, I'm going to show you. Please wait for a while. Let me allow all the permission here. Let me allow all the permission. Okay, so after allowing all the permission, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to go back, and then let us try. You can see here your WhatsApp will be like this, and then you have to start your WhatsApp with the new login system. So now after doing this, I am 110% sure this solution will work you out. So guys, if this doesn't work, then please uninstall your WhatsApp once. Please uninstall your WhatsApp, and after uninstalling your WhatsApp, what you need to do, you have to reinstall it, and then you can try it out whether it is working or not. And the last bonus tips which I'm going to show you is you have to go to the settings, and then you have to scroll down, and you have to see software updates of your phone. So if this phone is asking for an update, you have to update your phone, and then you have to check it out whether it is working or not. So in this way you can solve the WhatsApp problems. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video will absolutely help you out.